Here we go, guys. Spaghetti fresh pasta review by Pastosa. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. This is going to be a fresh pasta video review. I got this spaghetti, fresh pasta spaghetti from Pastosa. So I'm going to make lunch out of it. Now the fresh pasta is different than your store pasta. This pasta cooks in around like 4 or 5 minutes. It's done. So fresh pasta for lunch. Let's test it out. Of course, my new favorite pasta sauce, Muti, straight from Italy. We're gonna use this sauce, and you know how I do it. Some Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. So spaghetti for lunch, fresh pasta, 4 minutes, 5 minutes in boiling water. You're gonna make some good lunch. All right, see you guys in 5 minutes. Bye. Here's what the box looks like. Spaghetti, fresh pasta by Pastosa. Can't wait to make lunch out of it. Here we go, guys. Beautiful plate of fresh pasta. Fresh spaghetti pasta. Looks good, smells good. I'm sure it's gonna taste good. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks real good. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so I got a big old plate of fresh pasta, Pastosa spaghetti, straight from Brooklyn. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, it got cooked so good. So good. Excellent lunch. Oh, it's gonna be such a good lunch. So good. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Still a little hot, but Tastes so good. Look at that. Steaming. This is all I can say. 5 out of 5. Another winner from Pastosa. This is their fresh spaghetti pasta. Outstanding. 5 out of 5 is going to be a great lunch. Trust me, I'm going to finish this whole thing. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.